Hi, my name is Calla Webster. I am a senior communication studies major here at Spring Arbor University. I love the communication studies program because it's very versatile. You get to do a lot of different things. I've been able to build and develop a lot of different skills within film, within writing, any sort of advertising, public relations work. I've done a few marketing classes, and that's just kind of, it all is within the communications field, which makes it really easy to build those tools so that I have a well-rounded education that when I graduate, I have things to show, things to put on my resume, building our portfolio, everything like that. The professor that I think has influenced me the most has to be Mary Darling. She has been someone that I've gotten to connect with, and she actually became my mentor here starting my sophomore year. I ended up having a really bad personal experience, and she was just there to help me grow, help me work through that, and she also helps me academically. Everything I've learned in this department I feel has prepared me for real life, and a lot of internships I got to do, I noticed just how much of what I was taught in the classrooms I had to incorporate into my job. And that just makes me feel confident, whether it be writing a blog post for the organization or it is writing their social media. Everything that I was taught in the classrooms I ended up using in those situations, and that just helps me feel a lot more confident in the program and in the degree that I'm getting. I think students should choose the Communication Studies program here at Spring Arbor because it really does give you a well-rounded degree of different skills that you can have even after you graduate. Our department does a really good job of incorporating faith into the classroom. The communication department here does a really good job of teaching us if we're called to be Christ everywhere we are, how we can do that in the world, just loving people better and serving them in a communication setting.